The magic of frost winter's art. Have you ever seen delicate patterns of ice on windows and leaves in the winter? That's frost, and it's like nature's own special artwork. Let's discover the magic of frost. What is frost? Frost is like frozen dew. It forms when water vapor in the air turns directly into ice crystals on cold surfaces, like glass or grass. Frozen designs. Frost creates beautiful patterns that look like lace or feathers. It covers everything in a sparkly layer of ice, turning ordinary things into winter wonders. Early mornings. Frost usually appears in the early morning when the air is coldest and the ground is still. It's like a magical surprise that we wake up to on chilly winter days. Nature's brushstrokes. Frost patterns are made by tiny ice crystals growing on surfaces. Each crystal forms a unique design, making every frosty morning a work of art. Where to find frost? You can find frost on windows, leaves, grass, and even on spider webs. It's like nature's way of adding a touch of beauty to the cold winter landscape. Winter Wonderland. Frost turns our world into a sparkling wonderland. It makes us appreciate the beauty of winter and reminds us of the magic that nature can create. So, the next time you see frost on a winter morning, take a moment to admire its beauty and wonder at the amazing artistry of nature.